Rock Ridge subdivision is on the north side of Naperville, close to 355, close to 2 train stations, Lyle train station and Naperville train station. There is a Metra Pace bus station at the end of the block. This home is one of the larger homes in the neighborhood. We have over 4,000 square feet of finished layout above ground. With the finished basement, we're well over 5,600 square feet of finished living space. Wanted to walk you this way to show you a little bit about this property. This unique property has 2 drives. We have a circle drive in the front, and then we have a nice second drive here that enters into the 3 direct entry garage. This neighborhood has a school path of Prairie Elementary, Washington Middle School, and Naperville North in the award-winning Naperville Community School District 203. Let's take a look inside. This home is equipped with smart home features. First here is a smart home door lock where you only have to use a combination to open and unlock the door. You also have a Nest doorbell here that will check and provide video and audio security. Come on inside. It's so smart, it locks it on its own. Come on in. This home was built in 1987. It has had significant upgrades and remodeled features throughout. We've got new lighting, new roof, beautiful flooring, nice high ceilings in this open foyer. If you want to walk this way, Jenna. We have a beautiful open living room here with large windows that let the light shine in. This front room certainly could be a flex room as well. It has sliding glass doors to provide some privacy. This home sits on a large lot. We're over 1/3 of an acre, which is rare to find in North Naperville. As you tour this home, you'll see this home has some great special features, such as this magnificent family room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, raw wood beams on the top, step out directly to the deck in the back, nice yard space in the backyard, and large side yards as well. Has a beautiful buffet here in which you can serve all of your guests. Here's another special feature. This is ecobee thermostat that's also managed by Alexa, so you can give it some voice-activated controls. Another smart feature you'll see at the top of the overhang, looking through from the 2nd floor. As I said earlier, some of the updates have been the HVACs have been replaced in this home. The hot water heaters, the humidifiers, and the roof was just replaced last year. This beautiful feature is a 1st floor full bed. I'm going to step all the way in to show you how large this space is, which would be great. Certainly could be a 1st floor office, but we also have a 2nd floor office I'll show you shortly. Has a large closet here, a beautiful bench for cozy studying near the window. There is certainly room that you could put in some extra furniture into this space for in-laws' quarters. Nice, beautiful built-in shelves with custom cabinetry. We have front door, front hall, closet space. And right here, adjacent to the full 1st floor bedroom, is a full bathroom with a step-in shower. Beautiful granite countertops, nice new light fixtures, light and bright for the 1st floor. my maps to continue. So we walk down the hall. Other unique features in this house is this beautiful built-in shelving unit, and you will see beautiful built-in shelves throughout all of the bedrooms as well. So we come this way. This is a unique feature of this home with a separate kitchen. This is a European-style kitchen where all the living and prepping of the food and the heart of the home is located right here. For someone that wanted an open floor plan, this certainly could be adjusted where this whole section could be removed and you could have a nice open floor plan here. Beautiful granite countertops, updated appliances, nice beverage refrigerator here on the island. We have a prep sink that's inlaid into the island as well. Nice back windows overlooking the backyard and deck. This is a special feature which I know for the cooks out there are always looking for a nice vent out hood. And this microwave and vents out to the outside. As you come here, we have this fabulous eating area with 2 walls of windows, new light fixtures throughout, and also direct access to the outside here. It's a 2-level patio out here with a step down to the yard, professionally landscaped in the backyard. Nice open space for the kids to run and play. The magnolia tree is getting ready to bud as we see it right outside this door as well. Okay, I'd like to take you in here. Also a must-have in any chef's kitchen is a large walk-in pantry with built-in shelves. Nice hardwood floors throughout that have been refinished. Beautiful laundry room here with front end loaders, built-in cubbies, and a nice wet sink, and also a mud room closet. Okay, quick peek at our 3-car garage. Lots of nice built-in shelving with direct car entry. You step into here and we'll go upstairs and give you a tour of the upstairs. Feel free to ask any questions if you would like as we go through. Our next tour following us will be at 616 South Webster with my colleague Kristen Meadows. This is a beautiful dining room. As you'll notice here, has the nice bay windows with light fixtures, huge family dining room where you can fit a buffet, as well as a nice large table. Okay. Should we go upstairs? There are 2 stairways in this house, a front stairway and a back stairway. We have 4 bedrooms upstairs. The master suite also has an office, so large space on the 2nd floor. Let's start here with our view looking into the family room, Jenna. We have nice skylights in the family room and upper level windows to allow the light to filter throughout the whole house. In here is our ensuite, nice large guest bedroom with walk-in closet, built-in shelving, and its own bathroom with granite countertops and a tub. Nice finished cabinetry, new lighting. For ease of access, it does step right out into the hallway. Coming this way is our Jack and Jill suite. Large bedrooms to share with great sized closets. Nice lighting fixtures throughout. Here it steps into this massive bathroom in this Jill, granite countertops, nice shower and tub as well. Beautiful cabinetry throughout, nice and bright. Stepping into another large bedroom to complete our Jack and Jill suite. Certainly this could fit a large king size, bunk beds, double twins, lots of opportunities in this space. This home offers a nice linen closet on the floor here with built-ins available for everyone to store towels and sheets. Nice, accessible. And now we're going to step into the master suite. This fabulous space offers a little bit of everything. We have a large master closet here with built-ins that go down around the corner here as well. Large enough for his and hers. We have a fabulous private office here, right off the master bedroom. This office offers beautiful built-ins with some very interesting architectural design as well. Nice and cozy to sit here, and you can curl up into a chair and read a book. Coming this way, we have this beautiful master bedroom with the high ceilings. And this is a secret surprise. Stepping out here, you have your own private balcony for morning coffee. Nice view of the backyard. So people love living in North Naperville. It's nice and convenient to everything. You can get to the train in just about 6-minute drive, and it's a 30-minute express train all the way down into the city. Nice luxury master, updated counters, granite counters, nice updated cabinetry as well, step and shower with your soaking tub. Nice ceiling lights for natural light. This house is so fabulous with the light coming through almost in every single room. Okay? Any questions you may have, feel free to ask. We're going to head now to the basement. Take a peek at the beautiful finished basement that we have that this home offers. Notice the size of this floor plan. It just lives smart, and it is very expansive. It's one of the larger units, or larger properties in Rock Ridge. And people love it because it does offer so many options for multi-generational living. So we're going to go right down here and head to the basement.